how to customize the Samsung Internet menu on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, we tap on the menu button, then tap on settings. Now after that, tap on layout and menus, then tap on customize menus. From here, to make changes to your menu, you can drag items to your menu at the bottom here. So for example, if I want to replace one of the items, I will drag an item out. This will give us more space in the bar at the bottom. And then say I want to add in the zoom features because we use it quite a bit, so we want to add it in. And at the top here in this menu, you can also add in additional items. So here we got close tab. I can add it to the menu right here, and I can add in, say, refresh button, web search, close internet, translate. If you like to use the translate button a lot, you can use that. So we add in the translate features. Remove the settings to the last item, so it's easy to use or to access to. And then after that, tap on the back key. You can also rearrange items in here. So simply touch and hold on one of the icons and drag it around the screen and place it to where you want it, and then let go. And that's it. If you mess it up and you want to start over again, you can tap on the reset button at the top here, and that will reset everything back to the default. So here I can remove the browsing assist, and I'll bring the zoom back in, and then tap on the back key. And here you can see in my menu bar at the bottom, I can tap on the assist, the zoom, to quickly zoom in or zoom out. I can ask it to apply to this tab only. So that if I switch to other tabs, it go back to a normal font. And if I go to this page here, okay, so maybe the page there. So I think the zoom is still applied to all of it when I say apply to that tab only. So if I tap on apply to that tab only, go to this tab. So okay, so that font is small, the zoom is at 100, and here this page zoom at 125. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.